How to auto-swipe on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Here, scroll down to find and tap on Switch Control under the Physical and Motor section. First, tap on Switches, then select Add New Switch. Now, choose Screen, and then tap on Full Screen. From the menu, tap on the tap action for this new switch. You will see the new switch added here. Now, go back to the Switch Control menu and tap on Recipes. Select Create New Recipe and tap on Name to name your recipe here. Then, tap on Assign a switch, choose your full screen switch, and select Custom Gesture. Create your desired swipe gesture on the screen and then tap on Save in the top right corner. After saving, go back to the Recipes page and tap on Launch Recipe. Here, select the recipe you just created. Finally, go back to the Accessibility menu, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility shortcut. Here, scroll down to find and ensure that Switch Control is selected. Now, open any app. Triple-click the side button and select Switch Control to start auto-swiping. Following these steps, you can easily auto-swipe on an iPhone.